everyone, it is Crush the Developer back with another awesome tutorial for y'all. In this video, we are going to learn how to make chat system messages in Roblox Studio. Now before we start, this tutorial assumes you have basic knowledge about tables and functions. If you don't, I have 2 short videos in the description below this video that will help you learn all about tables and functions. Now once you're done watching that, you can get back to this video. Alright, so let's get started. Now, before we can even start making the system, I need to let you know that this only works for the legacy chat system. Yeah, so if you have the new one, it's not going to work. So we're going to go to text chat service, and we're going to go to properties, open up properties. If you want to open up properties, you'll see the window. Click on view on the top bar, and click properties right here. So what you want to do is hover over the chat version in the properties window, click legacy chat service or text chat services right here. It's probably going to say text chat service. So you're going to want to go ahead and change that to legacy chat service. There you go. Now once you've done that, we can now start. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go into the replicated first, where all client scripts will run first. So we're going to go ahead and click on the plus sign and click add local script. There, we're going to add a local script, not a script, a local script, because we're going to need to call a function that can only be called by the client. So now what we're going to do, we're going to delete this print hello world text. Now we're going to go ahead and do local player equals game colon get service player, so we can get the service to players, and then dot local player. There. Now we're going to go ahead and press enter 2 times, and now what we're going to do is we're going to do local messages or system messages equals, and then we're going to make a table here with the deformed brackets, not the regular brackets, the deformed brackets. Now we're going to make a table of strings. These tables of strings are going to be your system messages. So I'm going to go ahead right here, I'll type in server, and I'll say subscribe to Crush the Developer. There. That's my first one. I'll go ahead and do server, and I'll say don't forget to like the video, and then I'll do another one, and then I'll do server, I'll say make sure to put the post notifications on. Alright, and now I think the last one is going to be let's see, I'll say server, you won't miss any of my tutorials when you're subscribed to Crush the Developer. Now I'll put a smiley face. There. Now I'm going to go and just remove the comma. Do not put the comma at the end. Oh, I forgot to put a comma here. There you go. Put commas in all of the arrays of strings except for the last one, because we're not going to put any more strings there on the last one. Alright, so there. Now once you have all your system messages, we can now go on to the real stuff. Now we're going to create a function, and it's going to be called send system message. There, we're not going to add any custom variables. We say send system message. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and press enter, and what we're going to do is type in game colon get service starter GUI, and then colon set core. Yes, set core, not set core GUI enabled. Set core. Now we're going to go ahead and set the parameter name. So we're going to put in 2 double quotes. We're going to type in chat make system message right here. Right here. So that's chat make system message. Yes, all of these are case sensitive. So capital C for chat, capital M for make, capital S for system, and capital M for message. There. Now when we do that, we're going to go put a comma in front of the string, and then we're going to go ahead and create a table right here. This is where we'll have all the information in the text. So what we're going to do is type in text, yes, uppercase, equals, and then we're going to go ahead and do system messages, and then put these brackets here, not the deformed brackets, the regular ones. And then we're going to do math.random 1, comma, space, and then hashtag system messages. So when we put a hashtag in front of a table variable, it returns the amount of arrays inside the table. So when we do a math.random 1 hashtag system messages, and there are 4 strings arrays inside system messages, it's going to do math.random 1 to 4. So it's going to choose a random string from the first array to the 4th array. So now that we've done that, we're going to go ahead and here press the comma and then space. Now we're going to go ahead and type in color equals color3 dot new, or you can do color3 from RGB if you want to do a specific RGB color, or you can do from hex if you want to do a specific hex color, or you can do from HSV if you want to do an HSV color, which is hue, saturation, and value. But I'm just gonna do RGB, red, green, blue. So I'll just go ahead and click this icon right here. So if you click it, you can actually have this color panel. And I think I'm gonna make it like this, there. All right, there you go, 200, 255. Nice. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make another comma and space. And the last thing we need to set is the font. So I'll do font equals, and then enum.font dot, and then you can choose the font you want. I will do Arial since I think that looks nice. All right, there. Now that we are done with the entire function, I'm going to go ahead and explain what everything is. So we have our local player variable, game gets served player's local player, and then we have our table of system messages right here. We have all of our strings. And this function right here is going to call the function setCore with the parameter name of chatMakeSystemMessage, and it will then provide a table with the information we need so the system can make a message. Alright, now that we've done that, we can go ahead and press enter 2 times. And now we're going to type in while wait. And then you can choose a specific number of times. You can even do like a random number between 1 to 35, like math.random 10 to 35. There. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do every 5 seconds. There. So while wait 5 do. And then you can do send system message. And there you go, you're done. So if we go to the play section, click play, our system messages should pop up. And as you can see, our system messages system is working perfectly as we have our system messages popping up every 5 seconds with a random system message popping up. So make sure to put the post notification on. Subscribe to Crush the Developer, which you should do, by the way. Oh wow, I said that 3 times. What a coincidence, that's actually crazy. And it says the 4th time. That's actually crazy. So there you go. You have your fully functioning, fully personalized system message. There you go. And that is on how to create system messages in Roblox Studio. I hope this tutorial helped you a lot. And if it did, please make sure to leave a comment below. Your feedback is very important to me. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, because that'll help motivate me to make awesome tutorials for you guys. Alright. Have a great day, y'all. Happy summer.